Hello everybody, so this is just another quick video on our series of service light reset videos, and we've done a few of these in the past. So this car is a Volvo V70 2000 model with a 2.4 engine, but the procedure does apply to a lot of different models, so just check out the description to see if it applies to your car. Now on this car, as you can see, engine's running at the moment, and this is showing that it's indicating a service. So what you need to do is switch off the ignition, switch off the engine and ignition. Press the mileometer reset button and keep your finger pressed on there, and then switch the ignition back on. Keep that button pressed, and then eventually you will see that service light will start flashing. At that point, release the trip reset button, and then at that point it should now be reset. So if we try it, let's see. There you go. As you can see, it's gone out. So hope that helps. As always, we always say that these procedures, we explain these to sort of help you if you've kind of serviced your car yourself. We don't sort of advocate not servicing your car, because servicing is of course very important. So anyway, hope that helps. Bye bye.